Not every saffron you buy is truly premium. Here's a simple way to identify genuine Kashmiri saffron.
Real saffron releases its rich golden color slowly.
Low-quality saffron colors water almost instantly. Rub it gently. Genuine saffron stays strong. Real saffron keeps its natural shape after soaking. Authentic saffron has a naturally sweet and earthy aroma.
It should never smell like harsh chemicals.
Even after soaking, genuine saffron stays beautifully intact. Buy smart. Choose authentic Kashmiri saffron. Choose Bafna Brothers Kesarwala.